In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a subscription budget tracker in Notion if your monthly apps and memberships keep sneaking up on you. This walkthrough will help you centralize everything in one clear, flexible dashboard. We'll use Notion's built-in options so you can get set up quickly and then tailor it to your needs. Start by opening Notion and look to the top left of your workspace. Click the small drop-down arrow there to reveal the main menu. This opens the area where Notion keeps shortcuts to helpful tools we'll use next. From that menu, click Templates. This takes you to Notion's gallery of ready-made setups. Templates save time by giving you a solid structure that you can adjust instead of building from scratch. Next, head into the Templates section of the Marketplace. You'll see categories and featured options. We're going to search directly to get exactly what we need. In the search bar, type subscription budget. This narrows the results to templates designed specifically for tracking recurring payments, due dates, and totals. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails and titles that match. You'll often find a quick description or a preview showing the database and views included. Select the template that best fits your style. Before you add it, skim the preview to see what properties it includes. Things like cost, billing frequency, next charge date, and category are especially useful for budgeting. Choose the one that gets you closest to your ideal setup, so you'll have less to change later. Click Add to bring the template into your workspace. Notion may ask where to place it. Choose a location you'll check often so your subscriptions stay front and center. Once it's added, open the page to get started. Now, edit the template so it reflects your real subscriptions. Rename the page to something clear, like Subscription Budget Tracker. Inside the database, update the properties to match your needs. Ensure there's a field for the service name, monthly or annual cost, billing cycle, next charge date, category, and status. Adjust the currency if needed, and replace any sample entries with your own services. If the template includes formulas, for example, converting annual fees to a monthly equivalent, verify the numbers with 1 or 2 test entries. Sort or filter by next charge date, so upcoming renewals rise to the top, and consider adding reminders to the date property to get a heads up before your build. You can also tweak views, like a calendar for charge dates and a table for totals, to see your data from different angles. And that's it. You've built a subscription budget tracker in Notion, added it to your workspace, and customized it so it actually works for you.